Former Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has hit back at Uddhav Thackeray. Fadnavis accused Shiv Sena of abandoning Hindutva and allying with those who stand against Savarkar. Fadnavis also accusing Sena of allying with Gupkar Alliance backers and proponents of Article 370 restoration with China's help. Here is Devendra Fadnavis hitting out at Uddhav Thackeray. Fadnavis accusing Shiv Sena of abandoning Hindutva and allying with those who stand against Savarkar. Fadnavis also accusing Sena of allying with Gupkar Alliance backers and proponents of Article 370 restoration with China's help. Mustafa Sheikh joining us live for more details. Mustafa, Fadnavis now jumping in, hitting out at the Uddhav Thackeray government for being an ally of those who are supporting the restoration of Article 370, those who are part of the Gupkar Alliance, saying that Uddhav Thackeray is now ditching Hindutva.
Yes, clearly, Nabila, if you look at BJP's stance, be it in Hyderabad or in Maharashtra, they have been an aggressive opposition. Unlike any other state, BJP is playing out a very strong opposition in Maharashtra because normally it's said that a government has 5 years. But in Mahavikas Aghadi's case, it's being said that the government can topple anytime, and hence the BJP has been aggressive in their stance, be it against Uddhav Thackeray, be it against Congress, and that we are getting to see time and again. Be it of saying that during the upcoming BMC elections, it with the saffron flag of BJP, which will be on BMC headquarters, or targeting Shiv Sena for partnering with Congress. The BJP is going all out with attacks on Uddhav Thackeray and on MVA government to make it difficult for them to run a smooth government. Back to you.
Right, Mustafa, thank you very much for joining us with those details. This comes right after Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray hit out at the BJP over love jihad politics. Let's take a listen.
लव जिहाद राजकारणात का नसावं?
असायला पाहिजे ते चाललंय
लव
काय
जिहाद
ठिकाणी,
मध्ये
झालं.
नाही राजकारणात का नसावं म्हणजे त्याचं राजकारण नाही. लव जिहादचं राजकारण भाग वेगळा.
बरं.
पण लव जिहाद म्हणजे काय? मुस्लिम युवकांनी हिंदू मुलीशी लग्न करायचं त्याला त्यांचा विरोध आहे. मग तुमची मुफ्ती मोहम्मद बरोबर युती कशी चालली? मेहबूबा मुफ्ती बरोबर कशी चालली? तेव्हा मुफ्ती पण होते ना. मेहबूबा मुफ्ती बरोबर कशी चालली? नितीश कुमार बरोबर कशी चालली? चंद्रबाबू बरोबर कशी चालली? बरोबर. इतर ज्या ज्या युत्या तुम्ही केल्या त्या मग त्याच्यामध्ये भिन्न विचाराचे पक्ष तुम्ही एकत्र युती चालते हे लव जिहाद नाही आणि काम संस्कृती त्यांना तुम्ही मारायला बघता.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.